Hey guys, today we are going to talk about how I set up the power for my HP Latex 315. So I'm not going to take the cover off the box, but I will pop up a picture so you can see kind of what the inside looks like, how I wired it. Luckily my basement is unfinished, and so all I had to do was run a new Romex cable to over where my office is. With my specific machine, it's a 315. It requires a 220 breaker. This is a GFCI protected breaker, so it is expensive. I think it was like $150 or more. The Romex cable, I think I paid 20 bucks or something for 100 feet, 150 feet. But the breaker and the amount of cables, like my machine requires one, can't remember what it's called, one breaker, one circuit. If you have like the 335 or the 365, the heater and the printer require separate circuits, so you would need two of them and two cables. Mine, because I only need one, I was able to I needed two plugs, but I didn't need two circuits. So, like I said, pretty simple. I just ran the cable all the way up and over to my office, which is over yonder, and then wired the first outlet, and then I just jumped the first outlet to the second outlet, and I was good to go. So if you have any other questions or any specific questions about how I wired it, then shoot me a comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.